Throw that, twerk it, take that, bounce that.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this sleek bun for curly hair. So if you guys want to figure out how you can get a perfect bun on the first try, stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to follow me on the gram, Snap, Twitter, all that, because you know I'll be lit on there too. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, so for this video you're going to need a wooden brush, you know, your basic wooden brush that when you brush it feels like your eyes touch your ears, you know. You're going to need a toothbrush to do your edges. You're going to need some edge control. I'm going to be using this MONEYYY, it's a flexible hold gel for your edges. Love this stuff. You don't have it, you should get it. I'm going to be using a spray bottle just because I need to wet my hair so that way, one, I'm not tearing my hair out, and two, it's easier for me to brush and move and slick back. And then you can use whatever like creams, lotions you want to use for your hair. I'm going to just be using some conditioner because that's what my hair loves. So yeah, don't judge me when I take my bun down because I know I'm nappy. I washed my hair like 3 days ago. I ain't put nothing in it because I'm lazy. But yeah, let's get started. So, if y'all can't tell, I'm nappy. Like, nappy up in here, okay? So this is gonna just be the bun I do day to day when I don't feel like doing nothing, just a bun. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spray bottle, and I put a little bit of conditioner in here. I put some of my favorite oil for my hair, which personally I've been on a carrot oil wave, which I didn't know was good for your hair, but it's what I use for my hair. And then just water, and basically I'm gonna spray the crap out of my hair. When I say the crap, I mean I want basically the top of my head to be wet, and like the top, the back, and the ends, because I like my ends to be curled in my buns. So y'all just want to make sure you're saturating your hair, because it has product in it. Like I said, I added the conditioner. I'm also rubbing it in, so that way I don't just have a whole bunch of buildup on my hair. And y'all, my hair, I don't know, maybe I don't take care of it good enough, but my hair sheds a lot, so don't mind me. I'm just rubbing this into my hair, so that way, one, I know how wet my hair is, and two, if y'all can see as I'm spraying it, it's turning white on my hair. That's the conditioner. So I'm just gonna rub that in, like I said. Ew. Like I said, y'all, my hair sheds like crazy. And for this video, I couldn't be blind. I had to wear my glasses. So, even though it's time for me to go to the eye doctor and I need a new prescription, I need a little assistance today. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to start brushing my hair up and back, just basically smoothing, I guess, the perimeter of my head, so that way my bun looks nice. And I like my bun high, but for now I'm just brushing my hair back because I don't like lumps and bumps in my buns, my ponytails, nothing. Like, I hate when it's not super smooth. So that's why I'm just taking the time to essentially brush my curls out while they're wet. So that way, I don't know if you guys can see, but when I look up, there's no like there's no frizz coming from the top of my hair. So I'm just taking and I'm just smoothing it with my hand as I brush back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just like this. Alright, so I'm gonna take, this is kind of the important part. It's when I start taking, and I'm gonna start, I guess the best way to say it is I'm gonna start taking, and as I'm brushing, I'm gonna slowly just go like this with my hands, so that way I'm bringing it up like this, to however high you want your bun to sit on your head. And I'm just using my hand, like I'll show you. I'm just using my hand as a base to keep the hair smooth and to keep the hair up, just like this. And if y'all didn't know, doing curly hair is like the official workout of the world for curly haired girls, because these young moms are already tired, like already. Alright, so now I'm going to take my hair tie. Don't judge my hair tie, it's my everyday hair tie. And it's a pretty big hair tie. I just take it, I fold it in half like this. Because I like my hair tight. I'm just making sure before I put it up, everything is nice and smooth. And when the ponytail holder's like this, I do it about twice. Sometimes I fit 3 times. I'm not about to try to fit 3 times. Then I just pull it tight, let the hair, you know, flop out of control. Sorry for the chair creaking. I'm sitting on a wooden chair and it just wants to show out today. So then I'm gonna take my gel that I showed you guys earlier, and I'm gonna put the first layer of gel. So I'm just taking, and I'm putting it on the head. On my head. And I'm just smoothing it in with my fingers like we did for the conditioner. And when you're doing that, try to make sure that you're not getting gel on your actual baby hairs, because the good thing about this stuff, it's a pro and con. Once you put it on, the hair's not moving. It's not going anywhere. The con about that is if you get gel right here, your baby hairs, when you go to do them, they're not going to go anywhere. They're going to be like straight lines that are going to be very hard to move. You're going to have to put a lot of water on them. So to avoid that problem, just make sure you try to avoid putting gel like where you actually slick your edges. If you'd like, you can pull them out before. I don't like to do that because I don't like to pull out too much baby hair because I have a lot of edges, because, you know, God bless your girl. I forgot to mention this as one of the things you're going to need, but, you know, the little, like, elastic. Well, I ain't gonna put that in my hair because it touched the floor. But these, like, little elastic rubber bands, you know, that you used to put in your hair, okay, they just all want to fall when you used to braid your hair. So I'm gonna take that, and that's what I actually use to, like, secure the bun. So I take and I split my hair in half. Let's see. And I basically twist them in the same direction loosely, because I like a big bun. So I'm gonna go, let's see, I'm gonna go clockwise, and I'm just tucking and rolling my hair just like this until it's the shape and the height that I like. Okay. As you can see, it'll stay, well, at least with my hair. My hair is pretty thick, so it will stay. But I like to secure it and then refluff it because these things are so little that when I put it on, it like, okay, y'all know when y'all have thick thighs and you put on ripped jeans and when you sit down, yeah, your leg looks like what is it called? Like a pot roast, a ham, like wrapped in string and stuff. It looks like it's suffocating. This is what these do to your bun. I love them because if you can successfully get it over your bun without breaking it, your bun will stay. It's just she, or he, she, my hair is a she gonna look a little crazy. Now as y'all can see, as I'm putting the elastic around my bun, I got these like loops of curls that just want to be disrespectful. So we're gonna have to go in, tighten up the bun, fix those. So when you're done with that part, your bun should be pretty even. So I'm gonna do a little spin and show you what mine looks like all around. Then I'm gonna just take and I'm going to re-gel my hair, because sometimes that can like, it can like kind of mess up, like right here, like I can see hairs sticking up. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, like right here. So I just take and I lift that back up, and we're gonna just basically make sure our hair doesn't look crusty. If my bun looks a little different, y'all, it's because my hair just wanted to be disrespectful and try to play me. So I had to take and basically just redo what I showed you guys. So if you guys want a more in-depth video on how I do my edges, just let me know. I'm gonna do a rundown. Basically, I'm gonna take my toothbrush, spray it with my water bottle, pull my edges forward, and then lay them things. So I'm gonna just speed this part up. But if you'd like to have a video on how I lay my edges, let me know. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!